setting so that the teacher can know how best to help that child. We have students who have ADHD, for example. How do we best help that child? Number 6, the history and philosophy of science and mathematics is taught along with applications of content being discussed to help students pick careers that make sense. The history and philosophy of science and mathematics is taught along with the applications of the content being taught to help the students see if it fits into a career field they might like, or to just help them enjoy the content because they have context. We want them to know why Bernoulli's principle came into being. Why did Daniel Bernoulli come up with Bernoulli's principle? There was no airplanes in the 1700s and 1800s. Why do we have the principles of Bernoulli's principle in discussion about aviation? Well, there was something called fluid dynamics. Okay, let's talk about that. We want every student to know the history and philosophy of science. There's a lot of things taught in science today that are not true. This idea that you cannot be a person of faith, you cannot be a Christian and a scientist, is not true. We try to show that with people like James Clerk Maxwell, Isaac Newton, Robert Boyle. If you want, I could keep going on and on, but there's no time. I can list 25 scientists that stood firm in faith but did science very well in the foundation of science. I'll be doing more on the series of that later. And number 7, we provide year-round academic support for families, in person and online. We welcome students